Hello everybody, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're talking about having fun with it.
So I don't know if you guys can't tell that I'm pretty in love with my wife and I get to have a lot of fun. Doing these videos with Jess and it's like the bright point of my day. I love working with my wife. And one of the things that you have to do is you have to allow yourself a little bit of fun in your life. It can't be all work and no play. And if you're at work, you should be having fun with it. If you're just a grouchy person and you're just really not having a good time, you need to reassess what you're doing and what you're doing it for. Chances are your priorities got skewed somewhere in there, and you need to make a change. You just need to make a change just for your own health and well-being. Nobody wants to take and talk to somebody or hang out with somebody that looks like they sucked down a sour lemon for breakfast. That's not the... nobody wants to talk to somebody like that.
Yeah, so I guess one example of us having fun with it is, neither of us work a job for an employer. We're self-employed, obviously. And so for us, that means one of the perks of being that way is that we can technically take our weekends whenever we want. If we want to, we could take a midweek, or we could just take a day off in the middle of the week and we don't have to ask anybody, and we can go do something fun if we want to, or...
we can take our kids to the park. We can take them. We can take them to a museum or something like that. We got a couple big trips this year. Camping. You can go midweek, which is great during school season because you got the whole place to yourself.
Daily rates and stuff cheaper too.
And having fun with it and having fun in life a little bit will allow you to just feel better. Just general wellness and being happy, and it allows you to be more productive and efficient and get things done. So if you feel like you're walking through life and you got a little bit of a gray cloud over your head every day, start thinking about some of the things that you could do to have some fun. And then instead of shooting those ideals down just straight away, right out the gate, put plans in action. Yeah. To take some steps towards those fun things. Even if you have to tell the boss, like, I'm calling in sick today because I'm going to go have some fun. And if he doesn't like that, I'm pretty sure he probably doesn't like your attitude as it is. And just say, I need a mental day so I can have a better attitude. I'm sure you'll get the day off. Yeah. Because, I've met guys like that they needed a day off like 35 years ago. And it would have made them happier people. Anyways, I digress.
You do.
Yeah, having fun with it. So that's going to be it for this 3 Minutes at 3. We really thank you all for being here.
And thank you for joining us.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.